Guys, today I will going to unbox of the G-Link USB adapter. So it's very nice. So its price it is 15 real Omani. So yep, it says easy install. First, remove uppercase. Second, select in SIM card, and 3, connect. So yep. If you're wondering my face, if you're wondering or you want to see my face, but in the rocket chip bag video and how to shuffle dance video, it wasn't my face, it was my cousin face. So if you want to see my real face, here, hi. So yeah, so let's unbox this. By the way, I already cut the tape, so it's easier to open it. So here, there's a USB there. Oh, so hard to open it. Okay, so nothing in the box. Just put it back down. Holy sh! So here's the USB. So here's the USB G-Link. Yep. So let's open the cap. Oh yeah. Here's the USB. Look like very nice. Very nice. And here's the cap. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Oh yeah. By the way, please shout outs to Be Creative 4 because he is my cousin channel. So please shout out to him, Be Creative 4, and yeah, and subscribe to his video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and goodbye.